Hello everyone. Today we know 5 shortcuts for Windows. The first command is Window key plus D. That means you can minimize your tab in one click. It helps you to hide automatically and quick and fast. Next shortcut is Alt plus Tab. If you can see when you click Alt plus Tab, you can see all your tab here. You can use arrow key to select which tab you want to move. Then next shortcut is text bar. In shortcut, then click Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. You can see your task manager. The next shortcut is Windows Windows button plus arrow key. And you can see that uh, we just use right arrow, the tab is right arrow. Then next and final shortcut is Windows X plus U, then U. Then you will see the Windows is shut down uh, in a second, and every task is closed automatically. Is